Hello, Sir Danilo. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin lang natin yung unit na order nyo. The WE-M1911 Tactical Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay, so this is a full metal Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol from WE. Okay, so 1911 design. Meron siyang tactical rail. Okay, kaya tinatawag ko siyang tactical. Okay, so yan. Tapos, this is also dual-powered, pwedeng CO2 magazine, pero yung kasama niya is green gas magazine. Okay? So, yan, nilagyan ko na ng bala, 8 pieces. So, ayan sir, makikita nyo, meron siyang parang awang sa ilalim, no, sa magazine. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng CO2 magazine. Alright, so, ayan. Okay, so medyo mabigat siya. So, parang feeling ko parang mas heavy duty siya compared sa ibang 1911 ni WE. Okay, so ayan. Alright, so to sir, testingin natin. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung kasya yung gas na pumasok sa kanya, pero kung kulang, dagdagan na lang natin. Alright, so ito, turning on the chrono. So, ano tayo? FPS blowback accuracy test. Okay, so inserting the magazine, always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at the safe direction. Okay. Okay, so testing ng ambidextrous thumb safety. Yan, so nakaangat, ibig sabihin safe, ay pumutok. Okay? Yan, alright. So ito, firing. Okay, solid. 349.3. 343, 336.8, 332.6. Okay? So, okay na tayo sa FPS and blowback. So, let's proceed to the accuracy test. The target box is 2.3 meters away. Target size is 2 inches. So, for this unit of yours, ibibigay ko sa inyo is the second target from the bottom. That is on the center line of the box. Okay, so pipicturean ko siya, then send ko sa inyo, at least alam nyo kung nasaan. Siguro bibilugan ko na lang din, para at least alam nyo. Okay? So, ito, shooting the target. Ng bala. Pero hindi siya nag-open. Kulang sa blowback. Ayan. Medyo matigas yung medyo matigas lang. Saka hindi may eksakto, no? Ayan. Yan. So, hindi lang tumatapat, tapos parang kulang yung blowback. Kaya, hindi naglalak. So, I'll try to check kung paano, kasi meron pa kasi dito yung parang tawag dito? Yung spacer. So, tapos meron pa siyang dalawang bakal meron pa siyang dalawang stainless na spacer. So, titimplahin ko, tingnan ko kung paano ma-eksakto. Okay, bago ko siya ipapack para padala sa inyo. Okay? So, ayun sir. Okay naman yung unit. Yung itong part lang naman, medyo iti-tweak ko na lang, timplahin ko lang para at least pagdating sa inyo, more or less, kada putok, nag-open slide or naglalak yung slide. Tama ba? Ano ba yung term? Gumagana yung slide catch. Okay? So, ayun sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po sir. Bye-bye.